Uh, Hi guys, today's topic about tongue tie. A tongue tie, that is ankyloglossia, is a membrane under the tongue extending from the usual toward the tip of the tongue, from the floor of the mouth to the tip of the tongue. So this is a fibrous vent which inhibiting the protrusion of the tongue and movement of the tip. The tongue can cause problem with this ankyloglossia is difficulty in breastfeeding like nipple pain, latch problem, poor weight gain, may lead to speech problem, may lead to digestive problem and sometimes leading to dental caries also. So tongue tie is two types, anterior tongue tie and posterior tongue tie. Anterior tongue tie is closer to the tip of the tongue and very obviously seen. Posterior tongue tie are thicker and further back and they are sometimes not visible, so you have to feel by the finger. They are very thick and further back. Clinical features of tongue tie: difficulty in lifting the tongue to the upper teeth and moving the tongue side by side. Sometimes there will be a trouble sticking out of the tongue and there is difficulty in protrusion of the tongue from the lower teeth. The tongue that appears notched or heart-shaped when stuck out. Pathology is unknown. It is congenital causes leading to lingual frenulum attached to the bottom of the tongue. It may be genetic influence. This is more common in boys than the girls. Diagnosis, it is clinical only. If you ask the patient or you see the patient, there will be thick fibrous vent between the floor of the mouth and tongue. If you ask for protrusion, you will find there is no protrusion of tongue beyond the lower teeth. The intervention of ankyloglossia does sometimes include surgery of the form of frenotomy, frenectomy, frenulectomy and frenuloplasty. According to Lalaskia and Messner, surgery can be considered for patients of any age with a tight frenulum as well as history of speech, feeding or mechanical and social difficulties. Thank you.